Understanding, Feeling No Pain, a guide to English idioms. Hello, dear learners. Today, we're going to unravel the meaning and usage of the phrase, feeling no pain. This idiom can be quite intriguing as it's not about the literal absence of pain. So, grab your notebook, and let's dive into the fascinating world of English expressions. The phrase, feeling no pain, is an idiom that usually implies that someone is under the influence of alcohol or, occasionally, other substances, to the point where they do not feel any physical or emotional discomfort. It doesn't mean they are literally pain-free. Rather, it's a state of numbness or unawareness of pain due to intoxication. While the exact origins are unclear, feeling no pain has been part of English vernacular for quite some time. It's often associated with the way people describe the effects of alcohol or sometimes the carefree attitude one might adopt under its influence. Understanding its origins helps in comprehending why the phrase is used in a metaphorical, rather than literal, sense. 1. Describing someone's state. You might say, after 3 drinks, he was feeling no pain, to indicate someone is quite drunk. 2. Humorous or light-hearted contexts. This phrase is often used in a light-hearted manner to describe someone's uninhibited state. Like, at the party, dancing like that, she was definitely feeling no pain. It's important to note that while this phrase can be used casually or humorously, discussing alcohol or substance use should be approached with sensitivity. Cultural attitudes towards alcohol vary widely, and what's considered humorous in one context may be inappropriate in another. We hope this exploration of the phrase, feeling no pain, has been enlightening and adds another dimension to your understanding of English idioms. Remember, idioms add color and depth to our conversations but require a nuanced understanding of context and culture. Keep learning, and soon you'll be feeling no pain navigating through the rich landscape of English expressions. See you in the next video.